Why automate your home fitness routine?
Automating your home workouts can help make exercise a regular, stress-free part of your day. With the right tech setup, you can remove decision fatigue, minimize setup time, and create an environment that motivates you. This means fewer excuses, better consistency, and a workout experience that's easier to stick with.
Automating reminders to get moving.
Set up automatic reminders using your phone, smart speakers, or fitness apps. Schedule notifications for your preferred workout times, and use recurring alarms or calendar events to keep you accountable. These reminders serve as gentle nudges that help you build a steady exercise habit even on busy days.
Curating playlists for workout motivation.
Music can boost your energy and focus during workouts. Use music streaming services to create exercise playlists or try pre-made workout mixes. Connect your playlists to smart speakers or wireless headphones. Some systems let you automate music playback at workout time, so you start exercising with your ideal soundtrack.
Smart fitness equipment and apps.
Modern workout equipment often features built-in connectivity and automation. Smart treadmills, stationary bikes, and fitness mirrors can sync with your devices, track your progress, and suggest routines. Many apps allow you to schedule classes, track performance, and auto-adjust workout intensity, adding a seamless layer of automation.
Bringing it all together for seamless workouts.
Combine reminders, playlists, and smart equipment into a routine that runs itself. Set your environment once, then let automation handle the rest. Over time, you'll spend less effort managing workouts and more time enjoying the benefits of movement. With a little setup, stress-free home workouts can become your new norm.